Deal some weed up, blow it out the nostrils. Debt collection, I'm always at them hostels. I got some good and some bad, I call it options. The baby nice, soon ready for adoption. Open up closed doors like a locksmith. Get a hot bitch that be using a fuck bitch. Watch for the cops and the rats cause I lost snitch. Only the family and friends like some mobs did. Growing up with shutters, they always told me to stay on it. Keep your eyes open, you don't know who they watching. Plotting and scheming's all normal if I'm honest. I'ma keep it real, be real, never dodge it. Robbing guys that I don't know, to me it's nothing. The brothers couldn't take up off my cousins. Part-time trapping, I just mix it with the jugging. Do it for the money sometimes cause I love it. Yo, and call it that good old man I got put down in some mud holes. Depending how the drug goes, it's double or it's uh-oh. 10 toes down, I put my right up on the throttle. That ain't New York, we'll call it that